Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Temu account using your iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, open the Temu app on your iPhone and log in if you haven't already. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to access your account settings. Next, tap on the settings icon usually located in the top right corner of your profile page. Scroll down and look for the delete account or account management option. Tap on it, then follow the prompts to confirm your deletion request. You may need to provide a person or verify your identity. Once your request is submitted, Temu will process it. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is deleted. And that's it. You have successfully requested to delete your Temu account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.